Today we'll talk about how can you disable Vibrate on top on your CallApp. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on customization here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to vibrate on top, click in this sign here or this color. So like you see color, it's going that's me vibrate on top, disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.